Matt Rife, who's a comedian. My tickets are more than Matt Rife's, and Matt Rife has millions of followers. I don't care about making money off tickets. Like, that's not my business model. My business model is the more seats in the room, the more people that get to hear me. I'm not trying to make $9.97 off you. Like, yeah, do I have a 5-figure offer labor? Of course I do. Mr. Hypocrite, why didn't you buy a super VIP then if it's so little?
Anybody can afford that. That's not even a big investment. And that's why I believe that with that being said, do you have are you like?
You good, bro?
Well,
all right, get it out. Get it out. What?
What I'm trying to get at is that do you believe that for $60, like everybody invested $60?
Not everybody.
Not everybody. The
Yeah.
VIP is only 200.
The VIP is 100 and the super is like 200 or something.
Yeah, but that's not even. That's not really a lot.
Okay, so then let me ask you this question.
Well,
Mr. Hypocrite, why didn't you buy a super VIP then if it's so little?
I tried to right now.
They weren't sold out.
No, I tried to when I got here. I started telling my, hey, can I get moved up? They were sold
Okay.
on the website.
Yeah.
No,
But like,
I did.
yeah, but if that's the case, you can't shun others for doing something that they don't want to do.
No, well, you're less expensive than like somebody else. You're like basically teaching the same stuff that another guy like similar to you. And why is your system better than the guy that's selling the same thing you're offering, say for $200-$300 a month, or $200-$300?
My stuff is not $300 a month, bro. You're in the wrong room.
No, but I'm talking about this becoming like. If I went to a Grant Cardone game. It was like $140.
She's like, Jesus. Yeah, but yeah, she's saying let's move on. Yeah, we're gonna move on. This is not a debate or anything. Like I appreciate the question. The reason why we're just more affordable is because I just want to impact more people and have a bigger room. There's nothing wrong with that.
No, and that's what I'm trying to say is that you get a lot of volume, right? You get a lot of volume from being so like not that expensive. And if we were gonna sell a product, do you believe being less expensive than the next person, is that something that you promote as far as like in my case, I own a construction business, and the reason I get a lot of work too is because they be like, oh, Orlando, you're less expensive than the next guy next to me. That's why I take your job. And
Yeah, I mean, then they just don't see your value. They're just taking advantage of you. They're hyping you up because you're cheaper.
but for $60, it's the same thing.
No, it's not. Okay, let me just break this down real quick.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to
Oh boy. Okay. So, okay. If you look at super VIP tickets, let's say for example, right?
Yeah.
Matt Rife, who's a comedian. My tickets are more than Matt Rife's, and Matt Rife has millions of followers.
Not for super VIP, they're not.
Bro, it's the same relevancy.
It's
Yeah, but here's the thing you gotta understand is that that's a different audience. Like I don't sell entertainment.
No, you don't.
Okay. Let's look at a basketball game. You can get nosebleeds for $30. You can get middle seats for like 110, 120. You start going down, you're at 300, 400, 500. Bro, I'm not the NBA. Okay, there's levels to this. Yeah. But like, why do I do this with the room that I have? Because I just don't care about making money off tickets. Like that's not my business model. My business model is the more seats in the room, the more people that get to hear me. I'm not trying to make $9.97 off you. Like, yeah, do I have a 5-figure offer labor? Of course I do. But people still buy it because you're in the room and you sit there and I want you to take the knowledge and the stuff that I talk about. You're like, okay, this person's actually smart. Like that's the biggest thing for me is that if you're looking to just simply say, oh, I want to make money off like tickets and that's it. That's not the business that I'm in, right? So it's like, and dude, we could look at Matt Rife and we could do that. Bro, I make more than Matt Rife. I'm not concerned about what Matt Rife is doing. And you all see him online, you're like, yeah, he sells out stadiums. Bro, he has to pay $500,000 for the rental for the stadium. He makes $1.3 million in tickets, and then he's got to pay staff, he's got to pay all this shit, whatever he's making. He doesn't make that much for doing those events. And you all see it because you look at all the followers and likes in the comments. I make more than Matt Rife. But I'm just doing it at a scale like this, which is fine because I don't need to make money. My business is not scale your ads, dude. My business is Wojo Media. This is a bolt-on. It's an add-on, which is in the 8 figures, which you'll see there.
What's the most
$198,000.
And what do you teach somebody your system? Or?
No, it's one-on-one with me for a year.
Oh, one-on-one.
Yeah.
Now you got your ticket.
What?
I said, now you got your offer.
Yeah. Okay. So